就去睇一睇英文嘅有聲書嚇。咁咧佢就比較適合高年，佢嘅館藏就比較適合高年班嘅小朋友睇嘅，咁啊不妨入去望一望啦。咁我哋入到去咧就會望到有一啲嘅category 就會適合你哋睇嘅，譬如呢個 Junior Classic Fiction 同埋 Junior History 啦，同埋 Non-Fiction 啦。咁我哋即管撳入去，譬如我哋撳去 Non-Fiction， 咁睇下有啲咩 Junior 嘅 Non-Fiction， 譬如呢個 Dinosaurs 啦。咁我哋睇下佢嘅書。原來係呢本，咁如果我哋想聽嘅時候，咁點呢？咁我哋就可以單一個 section 咁樣 play 啦，或者係全部都聽晒嘅，咁都可以。我而家就吳老師而家就click 其中一個 section 嚟聽下先嚇。好，咁跟住你撳入去呢，咁基本上呢，你就會聽到佢嘅介紹㗎啦。
Dinosaurs by Jen Green, read by Benjamin Soames。
咁佢有埋嗰個書本嘅內容嘅，不過內容咧就比較冇乜圖畫嘅，咁可能其他書大家發掘一下，原來有啲都有除咗文字都有一啲圖畫配合咧，咁你就自己去發掘一下。
What were the dinosaurs? If you had a time machine and could journey back millions of years to Earth's distant past before mankind existed, you would reach an age called the Mesozoic era。
係一啲好標準嘅英文嚇，咁同學自己去發掘下呢啲高年班嘅同學啦，自己去發掘下呢啲嘅有聲書啊。咁關於電子書嘅介紹，今日就暫時嚟到呢一度。